Guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Jemima and thank you so much for joining my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, hey, thank you so much. This has been a roller coaster ride, but hey, you are my sweet friend. Thank you for joining me every day, every hour, every time I post a video, the inconsistency and everything. Thank you. Charlie, your boss. So guys, in today's video I will be taking you along to spend the day with me. I do not have like an off day except Tuesday for this session. So Tuesday is my off day for this session, and on Tuesdays I do everything because like it's the only day I have off, and I have to film a video, do my editing, like everything that you can ever think of. I do it on Tuesday because that's the only day I have off. So today I will be doing a lot of things, so I'll be taking you guys along everything. So right now I just woke up and I have so much energy because I am going for a run. Okay, so look at this. I got this from Amazon, and this is what I've been using for like the past week since I started my weight loss journey. It's been a week. I haven't lost any pounds. I run and then I still eat what I eat, so how will I even lose? Today I will be going for my appointment, and then I'll tell you guys about the appointment later. And so yeah, about the appointment I'll tell you later. So yeah, so I'm about to go for a run, so I'm glad to take you guys along with me. So yeah, let's do this. Ooh, 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 ooh. So I jogged, walked, everything to my in-laws house, and I came and nobody's there. I wanted to drink water so bad. I didn't bring their house keys. I have their keys but I didn't bring it, and nobody's answering. I think like my little brother-in-law, his car is here, and my father-in-law's car is here too, but then nobody's opening the door for me. I guess everybody's sleeping or they went for a walk or something. Yeah guys, so that's it. I'm just going to walk back home. It's about 2 miles back home. I'll show you my activity. So I'm going to jog, walk back home, and then I'll start my routine for the day. Yeah, see ya. I got to my friend's house. Everybody know my friend Ivy here. And so yeah, I'm eating. This is what I came for. I told you guys I came for something. This is it. Some fried yams. Ooh. And some tofu. Yeah. Yeah. And some. Yeah. So yeah. Whenever I get to Tangal, that's all that you guys know. I think I like this one because it has like a phone in it. So I'm leaving. I told you guys I got my shoe rack thing. I'm not going anywhere else. I don't want to blow money, so nowhere else to go. I'm going straight home. Yeah, straight home. See ya. So you guys, I was late. Late. I'm always late. I thought I told you guys already. So I am like actually here because I have an implant in my arm for the birth control, and it's been 3 years now because my son is 3 and I have to take it off. I'm not gonna put it in right now. I'm gonna put it in next month. So I'll schedule an appointment for next month. So all they have to do is like they have to check if you're pregnant before or whatever. So I had to pee in a cup, so I already peed in the cup, and then they took my vitals. So I'm just here waiting for the doctor to get to me, and then from there, like the doctor will take it out, and I'll schedule another appointment for a month. They asked if I want to do it today, but I'm like, nah, I don't want to put it aside. I need a break because it made me gain lots and lots of weight. Let me know if you want to know my feelings and my thoughts about the implant in the arm, the next plan on. So let me know if you guys want my thoughts, but then yeah, see you later. Now the day is over, morning's coming near, shadows of the evening still across the star. I don't even remember how to say that song. Oh my god. Okay guys, thank you so much for joining me today. The day is over. It was such a long day. I know. I hope it's not going to be a long video. So I'm home right now. I'm done with everything. I am ready to just study and then edit this video. And right now I am watching some anime here, and so I'm just gonna do 3 of them at the same time, and then I am ready to go to bed, wake up, take my exam, and I'm going to have a long day tomorrow because I have class from 8 to 4. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment. See you in another video. Bye.